In this video, we will show you how to renew a cigarette manufacturer and importer license. We protect all the confidential information you provide to us. First, go to our website, cdtfa.ca.gov, and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services login page. You must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On the CDTFA Online Services login page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the Online Services profile page, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the Cigarette Manufacturer Importer hyperlink. This will take us to the Cigarette Manufacturer and Importer license page. To renew a license, you must apply for renewal on or before the end of December 31st of the current year. To file for a renewal, click on the Renew, Move, Close a License Location hyperlink. This brings us to the License Options page. You will see a list of licenses eligible for renewal. You have the option to renew, move, or close a license for each location. In this example, we will renew a license. We will leave the renewal option selected as is and click Next. This brings us to the Brand Family Name or Names page. You must list all the brand families that you manufacture or import. This page allows you to update, remove, or add brand families that you manufacture or import. To add the brand names, click on an empty row to enter the name. In this example, we added Tiger. If you have additional names to add, click on the empty row below to enter the names. To remove a name, click on the paper and X icon next to the name you would like to remove. In this example, we are no longer manufacturing Zebra and will click on the paper and X icon next to Zebra. A pop-up will appear confirming if you would like to delete the row. Click Yes to confirm. Zebra is now deleted from the list. We do not have any additional updates and will click Next to continue filing. This brings us to the Declaration of Intent page. This is to confirm your intent to file electronically and that your application for renewal is true, correct, and complete. Please read this carefully and select the acknowledgement box to confirm your understanding. Then click Next to continue. This brings us to the Felony Acknowledgement page. Please read this carefully and select the acknowledgement box to confirm your understanding. Then click Next. This brings us to the Certification for Renewal of Cigarette Manufacturer Importer License page. Please read this carefully and select the acknowledgement box to confirm your understanding. Then click Submit. This confirmation page represents a submission of your application. Please take note of your confirmation number. We recommend you print this page for future reference. To print your submitted application, click on the Printable View button. You can also share your feedback by clicking on the Online Services Survey button. Your opinion counts. If there are no holds, you will be able to print your license immediately. A hold can occur if your California Secretary of State, SOS, number is being suspended or forfeited. Our system performs an SOS validation and will let you know if there is an SOS error upon submission. If your SOS number is suspended or forfeited, you will not be able to print your license. If there is a hold, once your application is processed, you'll be notified by email to check the status of your request once a review has been completed. To print your license, click I'm done. You will be returned to your cigarette manufacturer and importer license account page. To print your renewed license, under the I Want To section, click on the Print Cigarette and Tobacco Licenses hyperlink. On this page, you will see the available cigarette manufacturer and importer licenses to print. Our example license has been renewed for the year of 2022. All the licenses are automatically checked to print. You can deselect licenses to print by clicking on the checkbox. We do not need to print the 2021 license and will deselect the checkbox. Next, click on the Print button to print your selected license. A new window will open displaying a copy of your license which you can print or save. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115, California Relay Service at 711.